Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the second chapter of history of class 9th. The title of the chapter is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. In the previous video, we have learned about civil wars. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about Stalinism and collectivization. The period of the early planned economy was linked to the disasters of the collectivization of agriculture. Joseph Stalin became the leader of the Soviet Communist Party after the death of Lenin in January 1924. By 1927 to 1928, the towns in Russia were facing an acute problem of grain supplies. The government fixed prices of grains, but the peasants refused to sell their grain to government buyers at these prices. Stalin believed that rich peasants and traders in the countryside were holding stocks in the hope of higher prices. So, Stalin introduced the collectivization of Soviet agriculture. It brought the great majority of peasants into collective and state farms. In 1928, party members toured the grain producing areas, supervising enforced grain collections and raiding the kulaks. After 1917, land had been handed over to the peasants. For the development of modern farms, it was necessary to eliminate kulaks, take away land from peasants, and establish large state controlled farms. Stalin's policy. From 1929, the Communist Party forced all peasants to cultivate in collective farms. Collective farms was known as kolkhoz. The bulk of land and implements were transferred to the ownership of collective farms. Peasants worked on land and the profit of the collective farms was shared among them. Those who opposed the collectivization program were severely punished. Many were deported and exiled. The bad harvests of 1930 to 1933 led to one of the most devastating famines in Soviet history, in which over 4 million died. Those who criticized Stalin's policy were charged with conspiracy against socialism. By 1939, over 2 million were imprisoned or sent to labor camp. In the next video, we will discuss about global influence of Russian Revolution and the USSR.